Welcome to this brief demonstration of TFY's Contractor Management System. TFY offers two efficient methods to onboard your contractors: API integrations and via a CSV template. The CSV template method is DIY and user-friendly. Download the template file, input your contractor's data, and upload it in the Onboard Your Team section. And it's done. After onboarding your team members, you can access them in the My Team section. TFY features digital contractor profiles, providing a comprehensive view of each contractor's skills, past performance, and the specific tags you have previously assigned. An electronic employee file is automatically created for each contractor upon onboarding. This file contains the contractor's pay rate details, including previous negotiation periods, records of applications submitted to your organization, downloadable invoices issued to your organization, assigned projects, and scores given during performance evaluations. Furthermore, the electronic employee files enable you to efficiently share essential documents with contractors, who can reciprocate using this feature. Additionally, you have the capability to request electronic signatures from contractors on these documents. Simply select Document Signing and choose the appropriate template. TFY offers both default and customizable templates. After configuring the template, organize the signing sequence and hierarchy. TFY ensures comprehensive digital audit trails throughout the signing process, enabling you to track which email addresses and IP locations have accessed and signed the document. TFY facilitates payment creation via batch files with a user-friendly process. Simply download the template file and upload it using the Click to Upload feature. Once you complete this step, you will be prompted to configure automated self-billing invoices directed to your contractor's email. Simply select this checkbox to proceed. It's a straightforward process that operates seamlessly in 3 steps. The payment details for all contractors have been successfully imported, including those involving multiple currencies. This indicates that TFY facilitates batch payments in various currencies. You have the option to modify any information related to their payment details within this interface. If everything appears satisfactory, proceed to create the payment. Even after creating payments, you retain the option to reject them if any discrepancies are identified. After all payments have been approved, they can be located in the Process Payments section. Payments will be categorized under 2 statuses: rejected and reviewed. A rejected status indicates that the payment has been declined by your company, while a reviewed status signifies that it has been approved by your company. Upon receipt of the funds, TFY will promptly transfer them to your contractor, and the status will be updated to paid. TFY facilitates transactions in over 130 currencies, including cryptocurrencies, through renowned payment providers such as Revolut, PayPal, and Payoneer, offering competitive negotiated rates. To review your organization's issued invoices, navigate to the Invoices section. TFY streamlines the invoicing process by providing 2 invoices per payout. The first invoice details the amounts payable to contractors, while the second outlines the transaction fees charged by TFY. Our platform also accommodates invoicing in your preferred currency, ensuring that financial management and audits are seamless. Additionally, TFY features an interactive organizational chart. Simply click on any profile to view the direct line manager and obtain contact details. This functionality is particularly beneficial for teams that are globally distributed. The off-chart settings allow for modifications outside the chart interface. Additionally, the platform provides contractors with a self-service portal to submit leave requests. You have the authority to approve or deny leave requests based on project requirements and the urgency of the requests. TFY provides insight into whether the leaves overlap with other contractors. If approval is necessary, simply click Approve. You can also set up your own leave settings, including paid holidays. TFY offers a contractor's calendar and an availability view. This feature enables you to efficiently filter contractors using specific details, such as member ID or required competencies for projects demanding specialized skills. TFY facilitates interaction with contractors through various methods, including TFY Messenger, which allows instant communication via Slack or email. This feature enables you to perform all tasks within a single window, eliminating the need to switch between multiple windows. Additionally, you can schedule mass emails to be sent to your contractors, team, or department. We ensure seamless integration with Gmail and Outlook, all within the same window. Want to experience our out-of-this-world contractor management system? Sign up for a demo today.